Friends, yesterday we started talking about reasonable magnitude. And we said that it is the size or the amount that makes sense. So let's start looking at a few. This one says about how many jelly beans are in the jar. And I don't want you to count. I'm not asking for a perfect answer. I'm asking for about. Is it 3, or do you think it's a little more? Is 13 about how many? Or are there 300? Well, I think that there's more than 3. So I don't think that's a good fit. And I definitely don't think that there's 300. That's too many. So the best fit would be 13. Okay? Let's think about this one. About how many kids could fit on a bus? All right? Let's think about a school bus. Let's visualize it in our head. A school bus. A bunch of seats, a bunch of kids. Can only 6 fit on a bus? That doesn't seem like a very big bus, huh? Okay, and 600. Could you imagine picking up 600 kids? What is the best fit here? What is most reasonable? Yeah, I agree with you guys. I think 60 is a great fit here. That is reasonable magnitude. It makes sense because 6 is too little, and 600 is too many. All right, now I want you to think for a minute. Think about your house. What is something that is reasonable for the number 5? So think about your house. What is something that you maybe only have 5 of? What are you thinking? I'm thinking beds. I'd say in my house I have about 5 beds. Do you want to know something that would not work? Toys. If I said I only had 5 toys in my house, that would not be reasonable. What about you? Take a second and think about 50. What is something in your house you have about 50 of? What could it be? Think about your bedroom. Think about in the kitchen. I would think between me, Mr. Lawler, Hayden, and Blair, I would say we have about 50 pairs of shorts. What about you guys? What is something you have 50 of? All right, now let's get fun. What in your house do you have 100 of? What do you have that is about 100? What are you thinking? Tell somebody that's next to you. What is something that you have about 100 of? Do you want to know mine? M&Ms. I probably have about 100 M&Ms in my M&M jar. What about you? All of what we've done here today is reasonable magnitude. We're coming up with something that makes sense for the size or the amount. Good work today.